I see a big role for AI in empowering agriculture, healthcare, education, creating next generation urban infrastructure, and addressing urban issues like reducing traffic jams, improving sewage systems, and laying our energy grids. It can be used for making our disaster management system stronger. It can even be used to solve the problem of climate change. Friends, our planet is blessed with several languages. In India, we have several languages and dialects. Such diversity makes us a better society.